Hi, my name is Ms. Galvanose and I'm going to tell you a bit about what you can expect from GCSE Maths at CGA. I'm in charge of the Key Stage 4 Maths, so I'm very knowledgeable about this, and your teachers will be able to help you as well. Now, you'll continue your learning from Key Stage 3 and cover content that you've already seen in Key Stage 3 and Key Stage 4. We'll expand on this a bit more and go into a lot of the concepts you've seen in depth. And the things you will cover include number, algebra, geometry and measures, statistics, probability, and ratio and proportion. The GCSE is very rigorous and focuses a lot on problem solving, maths in the real life. The emphasis here is that skills you learn are transferable, so not just applicable in maths, but in other subjects and later on in life. Your GCSE is a 2-year course. That means it's linear, and your exam will be at the end of year 11, around May, June time. GCSE consists of 3 papers. They are out of 18 marks each. The length of each paper is 90 minutes. So that is about 4.5 hours of exams. Our exam board is Edexcel. There are 2 tiers available, either foundation or higher. The grades that you can achieve at higher is 3 to 9, and the grades that you can achieve at foundation is a grade 1 to 5. If you want to study A-level maths, then you need to achieve a grade 7 or a grade 8, and what you can achieve at higher tier and foundation tier is a 4 or 5. Now, a 4 is a pass at GCSE and a 5 is a strong pass. Most colleges and sixth forms want a strong pass, so you really need to try and achieve that grade 5. So as I mentioned, there are 3 papers available: paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. Paper 1 is a non-calculated paper, and paper 2 and paper 3 are calculated papers. All the content that I mentioned beforehand, number, algebra, etc., is covered alongside all the papers. So it means that you can find any topic in any of the papers. So you need to really be very confident with everything. Our expectations of our GCSE students are very similar to those of Key Stage 3. The learning behaviours that you've built up in Key Stage 3 will be very welcome at GCSE, meaning that you need to be ready to learn in every single maths lesson. Really focus hard and try your best. Your homework is exactly the same. Hegarty will be set once a week. You'll have 2 learning checks and 1 assessment each half term. Your teacher will give you valuable feedback, and it's really important that you act on that feedback. How can you be successful at GCSE Maths? My best advice, and the advice of previous students, are that you begin your revision from the start. As I mentioned, it's a 2-year course, and if you leave it too late, the content will be just too much to revise. So begin right at the start. Revise for your learning checks, do your homework, act on your feedback, revise for your assessments. How do I revise for maths? Well, you revise for maths by learning the concepts first of all, and then by doing maths. Practice, practice, practice will really make you successful at GCSE Maths. If you've got any further questions, please get in contact with your teacher, or you can get in contact with me, either in person or via Satchel 1.